As we sip from a water bottle, we hardly give any thought to not having our own bottle. The water fountain has almost become a thing of the past, like the telephone booth. Everyone needs water to survive. 60% of the human body is composed of water. Water is an essential element to life on planet Earth. Approximately 75% of Earth's surface is covered by water, but only 1% of that is drinkable. Clean drinking water is not as abundant as it might seem. With water as a limited available resource and not as plentiful in some regions as it is in others, it has recently become common for water to be bottled and sold. The simplicity and ease of disposable bottled water has become the norm for most Americans. This generation has become increasingly dependent on the plastic pollutant. Each bottle purchased does not just relieve our thirst, but affects many other aspects of life. Not only is the bottle containing the water dangerous to one's health, it also is damaging to the environment. And this adds up to water that is 1,900 times more expensive than tap water. These billions of plastic bottles do not just disappear. They are tossed into landfills and are littering our ecosystems and oceans. The bottle's production also produces harmful plastic byproducts. This water could be laced with PET and BPA that has leached from the plastic containers that hold it. Both PET and BPA can cause serious health issues. The extraction of water to fill these bottles taps into already depleting groundwater sources as bottlers diminish community water sources for their own profit-making use. The price of bottled water is extraordinarily high, higher than the price of tap water, but in most cases the water quality is very similar. There is even a chance that an expensive bottle of water is just purified municipal tap water. The notion that tap water is bad has allowed bottled water purchases to skyrocket and has given big bottlers such as Nestle, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi the chance to rake in billions of dollars. Good quality drinking water is becoming harder and harder to find. With the government neglecting the preservation of watersheds, the monitoring and updating of aging pipes and infrastructure, water will become a more precious commodity. At what cost will you pay for drinkable water? And now it seems bottled water is not enough. There are now additives to flavor your water. But that's another story.